Hey guys, Teacher from MS Hot Tips. Today, still in the printing series, let's see how to print the row and column headings. Have you ever found yourselves in a meeting where everybody's looking at the same table but nobody is able to find the line you're talking about? Well, actually it happened to me, so now what I do when I know that I'm going to deal with a large number of data, I actually choose to print the headings, meaning I do print the first line, A, B, C, D, etc., and I print the line numbers. So how to do that? So you will go to the print menu, excuse me, and you're going to go to the page setup and go to the sheet tab, and here you're going to select under print row and column headings. So that's going to do the trick. And just to make sure that that's indeed what you wanted to do, click on the print preview, and then you see that, oops, it's not what I wanted to do. Yeah, Excel is actually printing the row numbers and the column and the letters from the column. So that's going to allow you to, when you are in your meeting, you just have to refer to one cell by saying, let's say, the B16, and everybody is able to find the row you're talking about. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.